What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's time to get stuff actually going. So right here we have a box, stuff I brought from home. We have some stuff I ordered. So we have the S2000 clutch master cylinder with a spacer. So this will be nice and tucked away. We have clutch slave, transmission mount. I don't know why this is here. A clutch line, a steel braided clutch line, some brake fittings that were in a bag that's empty now, and then we have some stainless steel brake hoses. We have a radiator clamp, and then if we go outside, I came through in the work truck and brought a lot more stuff. This thing's been getting beat this month. All right, so here, see what we got. So we have charge harness. Another one of these radiator stays, but this one doesn't have the grommet. In here, we got some headlights I bought off eBay. Guys paid $80 for these, OEM. Guys, shut them. This is a windshield washer, reservoir, coilovers. I have this at home. It's another brake booster. This one's in much better shape. I don't remember what car this came off of, so we may or may not use that. We got some coolant, and we have some lower control arms we're not going to use. And lastly, we have some torque nuts. These came with the RS we had last year. So this will pretty much hold the car together. So we're going to bring all this inside, and all of this, except for that, and all the stuff that's inside will be on the car by the end of this video, and maybe some more. All right, first thing that we're installing, upper control arms. Should have cleaned these up. Something for later. Next up, coilover. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Fresh bolt for this. Oh my God, is the threads messed up? See, you get bolts like these, hopefully they're focused. You get nuts like these, forget about your fresh paint. It's not good for business. Probably want to get something with like a nice like flat washer that'll just push it down, not rub it out. No pun intended. That's in. So now, let's see how this side works out. It's not working out. hot in here today. Alright, I didn't bring my hammer. Should invest in a dead blow, so I'm not, you know, striking metal with metal. I think I heard somewhere. That this is not good business practice, or maybe not business, but not good practice. A good probably measure for this would be anti-seize. So guess we don't need that when we're going. That bolt's definitely cross-threaded. But you know what they say? A cross thread's a tight thread. Right, the rear stuff, we're not too worried about. What are these doing here? We got this starter harness. I think this is the charge harness. This goes to the starter, to the fuse box. So that could be done later when we have the engine in. This torque mounts, if I remember correctly, it's easier to put these on once the engine's on. So headlights will go later. Headlights will go later. Let's go see what's in the other box. All right, so since we went and picked this up today, this is just a no-name 92 to 95 Honda Civic or 94 to 2001 Integra transmission mount. We got these in the garage. So this I had from I don't know where, and this I had too, which I tried to polish at one point. So they all have potential. Will we actually polish them out? Highly unlikely, especially how we're rushing right now. Maybe later on we could probably get to this mount and this mount. This one we'll get into after this engine's in. So it goes in the back anyways. But now that we have a full set for this mount, we're gonna use, this is actually a front lower control arm bolt, 17 millimeter. It's just about the perfect length. We could tighten this if we wanted to, but we'll leave it loose for now. I mean, we'll leave this, I don't know, should we leave this one loose? This one, we're not gonna be able to adjust. And to, you know, the manifold literally goes here. So to tighten this one, you have to go like through here with like a swivel, maybe another swivel. Yeah, I'm just gonna tighten it now. And again, somehow, some way I had a bunch of these, so we're gonna use this again. This is another front lower control arm 17. It's what holds the fork to the lower control arm actually. Oh man, this engine mount's too wide. So now we're gonna have to like fight this in here with this mint pin. Oh. The hacker in me wants to just shave this down, but like the bearing, the bushing is still there. Like well, another bushing, but whatever holds it in. I was installing it backwards. So hopefully you guys can see this, but the spacer goes right behind this. This is off of an S2000, and you can find this spacer pretty inexpensively, either on eBay, Amazon, wherever you get car stuff, and it'll just go right in here. Little hammer persuasion. There you go. So now that's in there, I think it's time that we go over what we're gonna put in this. And it's right here. Right here. This is what we're putting in there. Just kidding. Just kidding. Can't miss an opportunity to make a corny joke. All right, so let's move this Skyline bumper out the way. Move this box of trash out the way. This is all Cousin Andy stuff that we gotta do too still. But here it is. This is the header we're gonna use too. But we'll take care of that. We'll go over that later. So much stuff here. And that may be the clutch we use. Or that one. Or that one. But this is the engine. So this is an LSV Tech. It's built. At least the head is built. Has AM cam gears. I don't know what kind of stuff this is, but has like a full VMS gear setup. Has a AM fuel rail. Yeah, this thing actually has really cool stuff. With that being said, make sure to comment down below, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out our social medias where we're doing a burnout for every new subscriber we get for the month of June. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.